Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel Arma Detailing, the channel where we love to detail cars, we love cars, we will love to talk about cars, love to drive them, love to clean them, love to coat them, to polish them. And today's video is, I'm not planning to do this video, but I'm now working on a really beautiful Audi A6. It has a gorgeous, beautiful outside color and a really cool combination from the outside and the inside. As you can see on the camera, maybe it's, when you look at the car, especially on video or on pictures, it looks like grayish, dark gray, like black dark gray, but it isn't. It has a tone of green, of army green, and it looks really beautiful, and it has a really beautiful interior. And in this video I'm gonna show you a trick, something that I've using for years, and now I've discovered from a new brand, something really good for cleaning the interior, especially if you have these light colors like this, like cream, beige. Look at this interior. As I said, I'm working on this interior, doing interior cleaning, like deep cleaning, extracting everything, and like getting in all the cracks and crannies and doing a job of interior detailing. And I've done this door panel with this thing. I'm gonna show you what it is, and it came off perfectly clean, like literally perfectly clean. And what we're gonna talk about are magic sponges. Here I have a bunch of them. I'm already using the Sonax one, and it's fine, it's okay, it does a great job. As I said, I'm using magic sponges for interior for years now. But one of my neighbors, she's working at this company, she drove by a couple of days ago and she said, look, I have this, it's used for house cleaning, and just try it, just give it a try. And I was like a little bit skeptical. I was thinking, okay, I believe in this brand, I work closely with Sonax, that means I'm also an authorized detailer from this brand, and yeah. But I've tried this, and I'm gonna show you how this magic sponge is performing. I love it, it's great. The mostly problems with the magic sponges are they getting like apart, especially having using a filter or like cleaner. They're falling really fast apart, and that was the thing with the Sonax one. But this one, I'm now using one sponge. Where it is, it's outside. Let us go outside. And here it is. This one sponge I'm using for quite a while, and it looks, it looks perfect. Like there is no place that this thing was falling apart, and I was thinking, man, this deserves a video. That means I'm gonna show you on a part that's really dirty, and it's this part here. We have a lot of dirt. This whole panel we're gonna clean with this trick, with this magic sponge, and you're gonna see it's doing a more than perfect job of cleaning all the interior surfaces. That means you can do the leather with this, plastics, like nearly anything can be done with this magic sponge. Now let's give it a try and see how it performs. Just a matter of seconds, we have this panel so clean, like the surface looks perfect. Here is the sponge. Here we can see the dirt that came off. Here's the clean side, the white side, and here's the dirty side. It means all the dirt is now embedded in the sponge. Now I'm gonna show you how the panel looks actually. Look at it. After a couple of seconds, just a fast, quick wipe down. And here you can see clearly where it is dirty. Like you see here, you can see clearly the line in between where I like do the surface, and you can feel underneath your fingers. It's not feeling like muddy and I don't know, grindy, and it's so smooth, so clean. And the best part is, as I said, I'm using this one for a longer time now. And the best thing is, you take your sponge and just clean it underwater. Just give it a wipe, bit of water, and here we have. Now it's clean again. And look at it, it's perfect for the next task. I'm showing you this on this side. Let's find maybe a dirtier panel. There must be one, there is always one. The driver's door, they wear really bad, like really bad. Maybe the door behind the driver. I'm already did the door, the driver's door. This panel. Here you can see it's, just put some bit of multi-purpose cleaner and just give it a wipe. Just give it a wipe, and look, the surface is already clean. Yeah, it's unbelievable. Like, look at it, it's perfectly clean with just one wipe. Now I've remembered we also have the seats inside the garage. I've took everything apart to clean them, and let's now try it on a leather surface. Now we did this magic sponge on a surface with a plastic surface, and here we have the leather seats, and let's give them a try with leather. Okay, here are the seats from the Audi A6, beautiful color, beige, and we're gonna do this part, like only this panel here in comparison to this panel with the magic sponge, and see how it will turn out. I mean, come on, it's not perfect. I'm gonna do them better, that's for sure. But I mean, for just one wipe down, look at this side that is untreated, look at this side that is treated. Also a wider view, here's perfect. You can clearly see this side looks clean than the other side. I mean, just with a couple of seconds is one of the best advices I can give you for interior detailing, for interior cleaning, for everyday using. You buy it once. Those are from a brand called, I don't know if you can get them, York, and they perform really good. You can also buy those from Sonax or from any other brand, doesn't matter. But using magic sponge, especially on the interior surfaces, makes your life much easier, especially if you want to clean your car at home. Okay, let's take this. You want to clean the car at home, you don't drive the car to a professional detail, but you want the best perfect results at the fastest time you can do it. A magic sponge, a microfiber towel, a magic sponge, a little bit of all-purpose cleaner, and you done. As I said, not a planned video, just a quick video. I was thinking I'm gonna share this with you guys. Magic sponge, a really good thing to have in your detailing arsenal. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. As always, love your car and keep it clean.